Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, in today's video, we are doing the IPSY Ultimate. This will be my second time doing this, if you can see with the swatches. So, I already know what is in here. This right here is the IPSY Ultimate. This is the big boy. This is $50 a month. So, if you want to see what I got inside and what I think of it, then keep on watching. Alright, so let me tell you. So I record on my phone, on my iPhone, and I always use the camera that's front facing. Well, I went and got a mirror to put behind me so I can start using the back camera. I thought, I'll start doing that. Well, I recorded the whole video, and I go back to rewatch it, and the whole thing was blurry. Like blurry. So I am now recording on the front face, and I have to try to play around with it a little bit more. So I already know what's in here, so let's just do this again. All right, so for the month of October, the theme is Your Magic. Really quick, if you don't know, if you are new to IPSY, IPSY has 3 different subscriptions. They have the IPSY GLAM bag, which is $12 a month, which is my personal favorite. I do an IPSY versus IPSY. I'll leave that video down below if you want to check that out. Then they have the upgrade to that, which is the IPSY Plus, which you get 5 full-size items for $25. And then the big boy, the IPSY Ultimate, which is $50 a month. And this definitely has its hits and misses. All right, so like I said, theme for this month is Your Magic. And then you always get a bag in each of the subscriptions. And for this month, for the month of October, you have this puppy right here. It says Your Magic. Has a little star and a moon. I thought this would be a little bit bigger, but it's not. But, it's an all right size. You can put some things in there if you like. It's a cute bag. All right, so let's start with first thing that I'm going to pull out. So the first thing is this Love Craft Beauty. This is a blush palette right here. Now I did receive this before, so this is a repeat item. I'm not going to swatch it since I already have it, but I'll show you the color. You get a nice mirror, and these are the colors right here. Very pretty. It's like peachy colors. This is for like medium toned, I would think, but I love these shades. So I do like Love Craft Beauty. All right, but then another weird thing is, I already have this, and then I got another blush. So this is from Ofra in the shade Charm, which is almost the same color as that. This is like a peachy color. I would be okay if this was more like a pinky color, a different color theme, but, it's weird to get 2 blushes and then they get almost the same exact colors, I don't know. But I'm going to put this in a future giveaway as well because I do have this shade. All right, one of the things which I have swatched here, we have a Viseart palette. Let me know down below, do you say Viseart or Viseart? I don't know how to say it. I do know this is $45. This was $29, and I think this was like $39. All right, so let me show you. I don't have this one. This is the Theory palettes. I love the formula of Viseart. All right, so you have a mirror here. And then you always get this covering here, which I like. But look at the colors, guys. Is that not gorgeous? So pretty. I don't know if I told you, they're $45. So this was the matte green, the dark green color. Then they also have a brown. I didn't swatch that. This is a shimmer green and like a shimmer, like a, I don't know what shade you would say. Very pretty though. One swatch. So pretty. All right, so we have that. Then let me show you what is on here. So I do have a Huda Beauty lip liner right there in the color Trophy's Wife. I actually have the lipstick Trophy's Wife, and I do have this lip liner, which I love these shades, guys. Love them. I'm really into like the 90s theme, so I like to outline my lip with a darker color and go in with a lighter color. So I love these shades so much, so I'm glad to get it this month. All right, the next thing that I received is from Naked Cosmetics. Now this is definitely a repeat item. This is $39.99, and these are pigments, and you get 4 of them. They're shimmer shades, and I have already received this in my $12 bag. I don't think like all 4. I think like just one shade, But this is another weird thing. So the color story, like the greens and the like olive color, is the same colors that's in the Visyar palette. So I don't know. I mean, I guess by this, I guess they're going by profile if you're getting the same colors. But you would think, okay, you have an eyeshadow palette and then you're giving me eyeshadows again, but again in the same colors. Like, I don't know, I just find it a little weird. All right, the next thing, which I love. This is probably one of my favorite things in here. This is from Dr. Brandt. This is Support Dermabrasion. This is $58. Yes. And I love this. I have a few of them. It seems like we've been getting these a lot in subscription boxes. And I think I got this in my IPSY Plus. But I love it. My favorite one is the one that's in black because it's a little harder. You know, it's like I like that hardness, like the exfoliating. I don't know why. I know some people don't like exfoliating their skin, but I do. I don't know why. But I'm glad to get this as a repeat item. I get it every month. I don't know. I just love it. All right, the next thing. So this was my choice item. I feel like there's a hair. Yep, right here. Don't you hate that there's like a hair on your back or like in your bra or something and it's like you can't get it? All right, so this is from Milk Makeup. This is the Cannabis Hydrating Face Mask. And let me show you. That's what she looks like. And I did swatch it, and it feels very hydrating. It really does. So it feels like a serum, but it's a face mask, so you'd have to wash it off. And so it's green, and it comes out like a greenish color. And I'm really, here, I got some on me if you guys, I don't know what you can see, but it's really, really nice. And I'm definitely excited. I'm definitely going to use this tonight. I'll put the prices on the screen. That way, you know, I don't have to keep going in and out and saying be right back, you know? All right, now this is what got me. So this was one of my choice items, but I didn't pick it. I did pick the from Milk Makeup. This is from Glow Recipe. This is the toner. This is saying it's full size and it's $15, but no, I already have it. This is the full size. This was $34. And you guys can see I used half of it. Let me see. So I have it up to here. And it does have like a watermelon artificial smell. Love that. And if you guys have been on my channel, you know I like all that like watermelon and all that kind of fruity scented stuff I've been really into. So when this first came out, I got it right away. I don't think I would repurchase this again. Not for $34. If it was on sale, yeah. But I don't see any difference that it does with like another toner. And I've used half the bottle, so. And like I said, I don't know why it's saying it's full size. And it was weird for your choice item for a $50 a month subscription that they would give you a choice item that is not full size. You know what I mean? So that is that. Another thing, I was really surprised. So this is from Catherine Mandrino right here. And this is what it looks like. Now, I am the type, I don't mind getting perfumes and like lotions that smell good. I call it my smelly good lotions. I really don't mind because I don't tend to buy a lot of perfumes. So I like it when it's in a subscription. And when I spray this, and I'm going to spray this again, this smells so good. One of my favorite perfumes is by Clinique and it's called Happy. Let me know down below if you ever smelled that before and what you think of it. And this is almost identical to the smell of Happy. Now, because this is not full size, it didn't give me a price, but after this video, I'm going to look and see how much this puppy is and see if it's cheaper than Happy. I don't know the wear time, how long it lasts, but this smells amazing. If you like the scent Happy, you will definitely like this. Definitely. All right, moving on. I'm a little quick in this video since I already opened it before and I know what's in here. So this is from Barefoot Venus. So this is just a hand lotion, but you can probably use this on your hands or your feet. And it has like a vanilla smell. Really good. The only thing, I wish it had a safety seal. I hate when you know, they put stuff like this without a safety seal, like lotions and stuff. It kind of like freaks me out. I don't know, because of this COVID thing, it's in my head. I don't know, but I don't like getting stuff without safety seals. Really quickly, if you're wondering what is on my eyes, I had got this in my BoxyCharm pop-up, and I told you guys the next time that I play around with makeup, I will try this palette, and that's what I have on my eyes today. Let me show you. This is the green that I have on my lid right there. But I love this palette so far. It's the first time using it, and I really, really like it. I know, I digress. All right, what else we got? What else? Okay. I think the last thing I got, because the rest was I got using points, is this eye cream. Now, I thought this would be expensive because usually IPSY puts eye creams that are like outrageous in prices, but it's only $24.50, and this is full size. But with eye creams, you only need like a little bit. I'm 44, so I love getting eye creams, but it's like I get eye creams in my IPSY Plus, sample size in the bag, and in the IPSY Ultimate. It's like, how many eye creams can you get? You know what I mean? So I like the fact that they put this in here. It's just like, all right, calm it down a little bit, take it down a notch, you know? All right, so let me show you really quickly what I got in like my points and stuff. And anytime I use my points, I always put it in future giveaways. I have one coming up very, very soon. So make sure you put your post notification bell on so you will see when it goes live. All right, so from Pure Lease, I love Pure Lease. This is the 4-in-1 cleansing milk. I got this actually in my AIA subscription box. I believe this is what I got, and I really like it. So I purchased this, well, with my points. Then, from the Balm, this is a Girl Power. I don't want to open it, but you have 3 blushes and a highlighter. Her highlighter's over here. Then, in my points, I got 2 from the Balm blushes. And then from Ciate, I got the, what do you call that? Translucent powder. God, I feel like there's another piece of hair on my face. All right, so let's recap everything that I got in my October IPSY Ultimate, and then I'll tell you my thoughts. All right, so we got this Dr. Brandt exfoliator, which I'm really excited about getting. We have the Glow Recipe. This is the Glow Toner, which, you know, it's a good size because I had this for a couple months and I only went halfway through. So this little bottle, if you got this, will last you for a while. I don't know why she's saying it's full size, because it's not, but you know, let me know if you got it, what you think of it. Then from Milk Makeup, this is the hydrating face mask. Like I said, this was my choice item. Then from Naked Cosmetics, we got the 4 pigments, which, like I said, I'll put that in a future giveaway. This, I'm so excited about, to get a Viseart. Let me know down below if you got the Viseart eyeshadow palettes. Very, very pretty. Right there. Swatched. Beautiful. Then we got these 2 blushes. Like I said, I'm shocked to get, you know, like 2 blushes. And just like the eyeshadow that's both in the same, you know, to get 2 different, I don't know. You guys know what I mean. We have this perfume, which smells amazing. I got the lip liner from Huda Beauty. We got an eye cream, and then we have this little sample size. I'll put this right here on my table for my for your hands or your feet. And that's everything. Oh, and then the baggage. You know, you will get a bag every month. So my thoughts. I actually thought it was really, really good this month. Like, really good. You know, for me, IPSY Ultimate has its hits and misses. A lot of you guys ask me, is it worth getting it? I think if you get the IPSY Plus, definitely not. Even if you get the IPSY GLAM bag, well, I don't know, because you get full-size items in here. If I had to recommend out of all 3 subscriptions, I would say the IPSY GLAM bag. You get to try, you get samples, but you also get occasionally full-size items, and I think that's definitely worth it. I do like the IPSY Plus and I do like the IPSY Ultimate, but like I said, IPSY Ultimate just has, you get a lot of skincare and it has its hits and misses, but it's definitely there for the value. Like, you definitely get your money's worth. They never short you that way. So, I don't know. This month was fantastic. Let me know down below if you get it. What did you think of your IPSY Ultimate? Are we box twins? Let me know. Alright guys, that's everything. Please like this video if you like me. It really does help me out. If you like subscription boxes, if you like unboxes in general, mystery boxes, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to join our family. We are so close to 50K. We are on the road to 50K and I cannot wait. And make sure that you turn that post notification bell on. Make sure that you double tap it and it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. And that giveaway that's coming up, you do not want to miss that. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, can you tell I haven't recorded in a while? Yes, 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 yes.